Hi there. Sometimes when I zoom in on the horizon from this particular elevation of about 100 feet above sea level, I can see the floating islands of Pandora. That would be cool, but no. These aren't islands, these are hilltops. They're in an area called Seal Rocks. By direct line of sight, it's around 30 miles away. For some strange reason, I can only see the hilltops from this viewpoint, and sometimes I can make out the lighthouse if the weather is clear enough, just like in this photo. Sometimes I can't see these hills because of haze or a storm or atmospheric conditions, but when I can see them, I know there's no reason why I shouldn't see them from a lower elevation. If we go for a little drive down the hill, not all the way down to the water, but let's go to my other viewing location of about 65 feet in elevation. This drive I just recorded separately just to show you, but the two observations I'm showing are at the same day and same time. When we zoom in on the same area, knowing that from the higher elevation we could see the hilltops, letting us know that the atmospheric conditions are not blocking them at all. And viewing them from this elevation, we should still be able to see them, right? Well, look at that. We can't see them. We maybe can make out a tiny bit of land sticking up from above sea level, but it's pretty clear what's blocking the hills. And remember, we're not down close to the water, we're still over 65 feet above sea level. It's pretty obvious to see that in the first view from 100 feet elevation, we were seeing over the curve. And when compared together, it's even more obvious we're seeing over the curve of the Earth. Usually I'd go up to the highest elevation I can go, which is the mountain behind me that has a lookout with public access, but it's currently closed because, well, you know why. But I have an older zoomed in photo from the 500-foot elevation that I previously shot, and we can see the whole area of Seal Rocks, showing us that in order to see over the curve, you don't need more magnification, you need more elevation because the Earth isn't flat. Angular resolution is just another thing that flat earthers have completely backwards. If the Earth was flat, there should be no reason why I can't see this from lower elevations. I'm slowly getting back into debunking flat Earth, all the more enjoyable activity of showing our beautiful globe Earth. Science denial is usually just annoying, not dangerous, but as we've all seen lately, ignoring science can be extremely deadly. The lighthouse I usually try and capture is a little bit difficult with my current setup, but I found a new object to start observing. While out the other day doing my photography thing, I found this little gem, One Tree Island. It's situated relatively in the middle of Port Stephens, allowing me to easily see it with my camera from different vantage points. And it's at a far enough distance to make decent curvature observations, so I'll get to work and see if I can get some better shots in varying atmospheric conditions. So thanks heaps for watching, stay safe out there, and see ya.